In this video, we will give you more information on mortgage foreclosures and what can be done after it has happened. Here at the Center for Asset Recovery, we specialize in helping people recover funds from a foreclosure. A mortgage foreclosure overage is the amount of money that is left over after a foreclosed property is sold at a public auction. When a borrower defaults on their mortgage loan, the lender can initiate a foreclosure process to take back the property and sell it to recover their money. However, sometimes the sale price of the property exceeds the amount owed by the borrower, plus any fees and costs associated with the foreclosure. This excess amount is called a mortgage foreclosure overage or surplus. What is a mortgage foreclosure overage? A mortgage foreclosure overage is the amount of money that is left over after a foreclosed property is sold at a public auction. It is also called a foreclosure surplus or excess proceeds. How does a mortgage foreclosure overage occur? A mortgage foreclosure overage occurs when the sale price of the foreclosed property exceeds the amount owed by the borrower, plus any fees and costs associated with the foreclosure. This may happen if the property value has increased since the loan was taken, or if there is a high demand for the property at the auction. Who is entitled to a mortgage foreclosure overage? Depending on the state laws and the terms of the mortgage contract, the mortgage foreclosure overage may belong to the borrower, the lender, or other parties who have a claim on the property, such as junior lien holders, homeowners associations, or tax authorities. The order of priority and the distribution process may vary by state and case. How can I claim my mortgage foreclosure overage? To claim your mortgage foreclosure overage, you may have to file a claim form with the court or the trustee within a certain time limit. You may have to hire an attorney as well as to provide proof of your identity and ownership of the property, and pay any fees or taxes associated with the claim. In most cases, you will need to consult a lawyer or a financial advisor to help you with the process. When you use the Center for Asset Recovery, we will provide an attorney with no upfront fees to you. How long do I have to claim my mortgage foreclosure overage? The time limit to claim your mortgage foreclosure overage may vary by state and case. Some states may require you to claim your overage within a few months after the sale, while others may allow you up to several years. If you do not claim your overage within the time limit, you may lose your right to it and it may be transferred to the state or another party. How will I receive my mortgage foreclosure overage? If your claim for your mortgage foreclosure overage is approved, you will receive your overage by check or direct deposit from the court or the trustee. The amount of your overage may be reduced by any fees, taxes, or claims from other parties that have been deducted from it. You may also receive a statement showing how your overage was calculated and distributed. Do I have to pay taxes on my mortgage foreclosure overage? You may have to pay taxes on your mortgage foreclosure overage as income, depending on your tax situation and the amount of your overage. You may also have to report your overage to the IRS and your state tax agency. You may need to consult a tax professional to help you with your tax obligations. What are some risks or challenges of claiming my mortgage foreclosure overage? Some risks or challenges of claiming my mortgage foreclosure overage are losing it to other parties. You may lose your overage to other parties who have a claim on your property, such as junior lien holders, homeowners associations, or tax authorities. They may file a claim against your overage and reduce or eliminate your share of it. You may have to dispute their claim in court or negotiate a settlement with them. Missing the deadline. You may miss the deadline to claim your overage if you are not aware of it or do not act fast enough. You may not receive any notice from the court or the trustee about your overage or the time limit to claim it. You may have to check the records or websites regularly to find out if there is an overage and how to claim it. Paying fees or taxes. You may have to pay fees or taxes on your overage, which can reduce the amount that you receive. You may have to pay filing fees, attorney fees, service fees, or court fees to claim your overage. You may also have to pay income taxes, capital gains taxes, or estate taxes on your overage, depending on your tax situation and the amount of your overage. Facing legal issues. You may face legal issues when claiming your overage, such as fraud, identity theft, or scams. You will have to prove your identity and ownership of the property to the court or the trustee. Some benefits or advantages of claiming my mortgage foreclosure overage are recovering some of your loss. You can recover some of the money that you lost when you defaulted on your loan and lost your property. You can use this money to pay off debts, save for emergencies, invest for retirement, or buy another property. You can also use this money to improve your financial situation and well-being. Avoiding state seizure. You can avoid state seizure of your overage if you do not claim it within the time limit. Some states may transfer any unclaimed overages to their general fund or a cheat fund after a certain period of time. This means that you will lose any right to claim your overage and any interest that it may have earned. Helping other parties. You can help other parties who have a claim on your property by claiming your overage and paying them what they are owed. This can help you clear any liens or debts that are attached to your property and avoid any legal actions from them. This can also help you maintain good relations with them and avoid any conflicts or disputes. How can I find out more information about mortgage foreclosure overages? Call the Center for Asset Recovery at 479-222-0225 and talk with one of our friendly representatives to get the information you need. Thanks for watching. If you find yourself in a situation where your property has been foreclosed, all is not lost. We can help. Give us a phone call.